Introducing the portable power station. Elevate your power experience with the all-new portable power station, a true marvel of modern technology. Packed with groundbreaking features, this exceptional device stands ready to transform your outdoor adventures, travels, and emergency situations. Let's dive into the remarkable attributes that set it apart. 1. Lightning-fast recharge. Prepare to be amazed by the innovative bi-directional smart inverter technology of our portable power station. This revolutionary design enables a rapid 500 WAC input recharge. Imagine going from 0% to 80% charge in a mere 1.5 hours, while a full charge takes just 2 hours, as opposed to the conventional 6-7 hours. Not only does it provide a higher capacity. 2. Impressive capacity and versatile output. Empowered by a staggering 529.92 Wh capacity, the portable power station is a true powerhouse. It boasts a multitude of charging options, including 2 600 WAC outputs, 2 DC outputs, and 2 USB-A ports. Additionally, it features a high-speed 100W USB-C output and a dedicated car charging output. Simplify your charging setup and accelerate your laptop's replenishment through a single cable. Its substantial capacity and versatile outputs make it a must-have for camping, travel, hunting, road trips. 3. Uninterrupted pure sine wave AC outlets. Unleash a continuous power flow with the integrated pure sine wave 600W inverter. This exceptional feature empowers you to energize various devices, from essential gadgets to small appliances, and even select kitchen tools and DIY equipment. 4. Enduring LFP battery with advanced BMS. At the heart of this power station lies a high-end LiFePO4 LFP battery, with an impressive longevity of 3,000 plus battery cycles, and a remarkable lifespan of up to 40,000 hours, 6 times that of standard lithium-ion batteries. This power station is built to last. The Advanced Battery Management System, BMS, provides an extra layer of security, meticulously overseeing voltage, current, and temperature. With these robust safeguards in place, your LFP battery is primed for a decade of daily use. 5. Essential light and intuitive LCD display. Stay prepared for any situation with the built-in LED flashlight featuring 3 adaptable lighting modes: steady light, low light, and SOS mode. Whether you are camping in the wild or facing unexpected power cuts, this portable generator emerges as your reliable partner. The incorporated LCD screen keeps you informed about crucial information. Discover a new realm of reliability and innovation with the portable power station. It reimagines portable energy solutions, making it an indispensable companion for adventurers, globetrotters,